Hey, Jim Malone here from njhypno.com. I want to let you know about a workshop I'll be offering online during the larger event of Hypnoticon 2026, and this is going to run on the weekend between January 23rd and January 25th. My topic will be on hypnosis for relief when it comes to tinnitus. It's an area that I have a lot of experience with. I've been, in addition to offering hypnosis services, I have been a support group leader in past years for the American Tinnitus Association, as well as a guest speaker. And I also published a pretty well known report called Calm Your Tinnitus, the Less You Fear It, the Less You Hear It. And this is your opportunity to learn about how to better help people who really suffer with this condition, and there's not a lot of great medical options at the present moment. So you can definitely fill a need. We'll be discussing neuroplasticity, some of the other physiological components of having this condition, and some things that you can do in your sessions with these people. So I hope you can attend. I'll put a link to the convention in the description below. Thanks for watching.